Yo, what's up, my people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Freddy made it. So, today I'll be showing you guys how to mix in Presonus Studio One. I'll be showing you my chain. So, let's get a feel of what I want to show you guys before I start breaking it down for you.
Hey, Bambiala, hey, Bambiala, hey, Bambiala, hey, Bambiala. And the cast the face, I'm not the vest. I'm a scene of the come, look on the vest. And the cast the face, I'm not the vest. I'm a scene of the come, look on the vest. You take base, I take base, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest. I dey text, you the text, you the pop, you the see with the truly the run the plate. You take base, I take base, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest. I dey text, you the text, you the pop, you the see with the truly the run the plate. Hey, Bambiala, hey, Bambiala, hey, Bambiala, hey, Bambiala.
Alright, guys. So, this is what we have here. This is the main channel. So, I'll be muting the instrumental for you.
Hey, Bambiala, hey, Bambiala. And the cast the face, I'm not the vest. I'm a scene of the come, look on the vest. And the cast the face, I'm not the vest. I'm a scene of the.
So, I had my VAC compressor, which is Arturia, just to grab the frequency a little bit, and it kind of give me this control that I can use as a, when you can sidechain the frequency you want to trigger the compressor just a little bit. Like I said, I'm doing everything in series. I'm not just slamming the compressor on it.
You take base, I take base, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest. I dey take.
Look at what I'm cutting, not more than 3. My Pro Q.
I take base, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest. I dey text, you the pop, you the see with the truly the run the place. Bambi.
I also added my fat channel just to use CLA2A after the EQ, to use CLA2A to just grab some of the peak. Also not more than 3 to 5 dB compression too.
Bambiala, Bambiala. I'm a scene of the come, look on the vest. And the cast the face, I'm not the vest.
So then I added my Pultec EQ, which in Studio One they have a passive EQ. It's called passive EQ in Studio One. So I just use this to boost some of the highs, like some of the frequency. Look at this initial EQ I have here. You can see some frequencies I would love to add in here. I can use the Pultec now to boost them.
You take base, I take base, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest. I dey text, you the pop.
So now I want to add the real source, because this one is the real source. Now I just want to add a preamp sound to it. This is the real source, man. Adding a preamp that can add that shiny end and also add that crispiness to the vocal. But I'm not doing too much here. I'm just using a little bit of it. Let me just bypass it for you.
Pop, you the see with the truly the run the play. I'm a scene of the come, look up. You the see with the truly the run the play. You take base, I take base, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest.
From the 12K range, you can boost anywhere from the 12K range. You have a nice crispy sound there. Then I also boosted a little of the mid. So after using the preamp, you also bring down your output. You try to balance that. That's one thing, man. Always gain stage in your plugins. In Studio One, I hardly even use my faders. Already we have an input knob here you can use to balance your track, tweak anything you want to tweak. Don't play with your faders. So the next thing is the send. So this is my LX verb. It's very very nice. I always, not always, but I love this preset called the hall and stage vibe. It's a very nice preset.
Bambiala.
So I also added a delay. This delay is just like a slapback delay I added. You can use your Valhalla. I use the Valhalla slapback delay.
Bambiala. Bambiala.
You can, even if you don't have the presets, you can do slapback by delay that have your right and a left that you can use. Just make one come faster by using the time instead of dot or notes. Make one come faster. Remove the feedback. That will give you a good slapback delay. Then use your EQ to control. Then I also sent it to my spice delay. So I just name it spice delay because it is what I use in automating this year.
Bambiala. 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 Bambiala.
Like I said, I won't be showing you guys this today. I'll be making a video for that. So guys, a quick wrap up. This is what we have in total. So let me just slap a limiter here so it can easily translate in Instagram and YouTube. You know what? There is no need. Let me just leave it. Okay, I can still get it there. Up there. So I'm just putting this here. Not like I've done it before, just to show you, let it translate easily online. So that's why I'm putting this. Not like I've checked it before. So let me just do what normally works. Then let's see.
Bambiala. 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 On the cusp the face, I'm not the vest. I'm a singer that come, look, I'm on the vest. On the cusp the face, I'm not the vest. I'm a singer that come, look, I'm on the vest. You take bass, I take bass, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest. I dey text, you take text, you take pop, you take pop, you take see, we dey truly dey run the place. You take bass, I take bass, you take on the vest. I dey show you the place, you take on the vest. I dey text, you take text, you take pop, you take pop, you take see, we dey truly dey run the place. Bambiala, 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 Bambiala.
So this is it, guys. So like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Freddy Made It on IG, and I'm a Pokemon Fred on YouTube. Go and subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping more gems like this for you guys. So peace out.